All right, in this lesson we're going to talk about capacity. Now capacity is a bit like volume, but it's still a bit the same. So volume is talking about how much space a 3D object takes up, but when we measure capacity, we are measuring how much something can hold, right? So when we talk about how much it can hold, we might be talking about a solid, it might be talking about a liquid or a gas, right? So if we're talking about a water bottle, it's got a volume, how much space it takes up, and how much capacity is how much water it can hold. Now our units of capacity are here. We've got kiloliters, litres, and mils or milliliters. Now, very conveniently, if we have to change between these ones, they are all a nice easy number. And there is 1,000 milliliters in a litre, and there is 1,000 litres in a kiloliter. So it makes it for an easy conversion. Remembering that if we are going from smaller units to, got the wrong sign, is it there? Let's fix that. Smaller units to bigger units, okay? We are going to have to divide. So same thing here, change that, divide. If we are going from bigger units to smaller units, we times, okay? So this is really helpful. But if we don't know how to change between volume and capacity, it doesn't make any sense. So let's have a look. 1 milliliter will actually fit into 1 cubic centimetre. So when you're thinking about 1 cubic centimetre, think of those tiny little MAB blocks. That's 1 cubic centimetre. That will hold 1 mil of fluid or liquid or whatever else it is, okay? Now, we know that 1 litre is actually 1,000 of those millilitres, so therefore it's got 1,000 cubic centimetres in it, right? But if we step it up one more notch and we're talking about 1 kilolitre, then we have to talk about things in a different way, and that's actually looking at 1 cubic metre. So think 1 metre that way, 1 metre down to the floor, and 1 metre the other way. 1 big cubic metre will hold 1 kilolitre. So if we've got a shape here, and I've actually measured my cake mix box, I've measured that its volume is 1,156 centimetres. So in capacity, we need to be able to translate between one and the other. If I've measured this in cubic centimetres, then here's my cubic centimetres. All right, that's 1, but we've actually got over 1,000. So we could go to our next one, which would be a litre. So we could say that this is then 1156 divided by, how many do we need? 1,000 divided by 1,000, and that's going to be our litres. And your answer there will be 1.156 litres. So if I had to fill this box up with some water, it would take 1.156 litres of water.